85% of our public libraries in the state of Colorado are small and rural libraries with little to no professional development budget. So what we do is bring them high quality professional development that is within a day's drive, so they can take a day, make those connections, learn new things, and take that learning back to their libraries and improve their services for children and teens and families.
I just love making new friends and connections. That is one thing that I really value about these, and the fact that it's free meant that I would be able to reach librarians that maybe are not able to attend the different conferences that do have that cost barrier. One of the ways that humans learn best is through play, and so the other thing that we do is want them to interact with each other. Consistently, feedback we get about these regional workshops is that one of the biggest values is the opportunity to get together with colleagues from other libraries, trade ideas, learn about services that are being offered, troubleshoot together. We want high-quality library service available to every child, teen, and family and caregiver in the state.